Have you ever needed to access public records and found it to be a daunting task? Well, we've got the solution for you. Introducing OSINT Earth, your all-in-one platform for public record lookup resources from around the world. Whether you're a private investigator, journalist, or just a curious individual, this platform has got you covered. Let's dive right in and explore what OSINT Earth has to offer.
So as you can see that you have to visit the website osint.earth and you will land on this page. You can see that the website is very handy and it's very straightforward. So you can scroll down and see the features they offer. You can see that map here, it's written that coming soon they're gonna include the map also, where we can find the locations and other datas related to maps. If you scroll down, then you'll get to know what they are, why they are here, what their platform does, and you'll get to know more about their website. So for now, head on to the search feature. If you click on the search, then you'll get redirected to this page, and where it's written that how to use, and the disclaimer is also there. And down there it's settings, and there's are some stats and the filters where we can search. So for now I'm searching for United States, and record type is individual, and there we go. We can see that some tables are there. You can click any of them, so I'm clicking on Intellius, and we get redirected to this page where we can enter the first name, then last name, the city, and then the state. Okay, and after that we can hit the search button, and it will take some time, and they're gonna ask some questions, so I'm gonna click on I don't know. And for the all type of questions, I'm gonna click on I don't know button. As you can see that they are searching for federal data sources, then after they're gonna search on state data sources, and after that county data sources. And just click on this pop-up. Okay, and you can see that I'm searching for James Anderson, and this website is searching. And down there you can see that records we are search for phone numbers. They are searching phone numbers, government watch list, and they're going to search many sources like traffic offenses, crime offenses, and many more. So let's wait for the search to complete. So I'm gonna skip this part and close this one. So here we can see that we got the results. Here James Campbell Anderson. You can see that the phone number is there. If we open the report, then we will get to know the other details. So as you can see, the phone numbers have found, the city and other possible relatives also, and you can see the verified name match and the age, and whatever you are looking for, just click on it and open the report. So don't wait any longer. Visit OSINT today and discover the world of public records at your fingertips. Click the link below and start exploring these fantastic resources. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.